Good morning, November 12th. I'm going to hike Helicopter Hill track. It's not that difficult as far as I'm aware. It's a 400-meter elevation gain. Maybe 2 hours, 3 hours. Starting late again. It's about 9 o'clock already. Woke up late. Had some breakfast obviously before the hike. But it is what it is. Yeah, it's my first time doing this. I don't know what to expect. Weather seems okay. Hopefully it stays that way and it doesn't rain, because it looks like it will in the afternoon. We'll see how it goes. Alright, time to go. Cheers. Morning. Started a track, walking, sorry. It's a bit muddy as it rained yesterday. Quite annoying. Not much we can do about it. Seems like this one is relatively an easy track, so should breeze through it. I'm not using any trekking pole today. Should be fine. Been walking about 15 minutes now. Still can't see anything, obviously. Still under the tree line. For some reason I'm tired already. I'm feeling tired. Weird. I was supposed to do this last weekend, but woke up late, wasn't feeling better, wasn't feeling good, so postponed it. And yeah, here we are now, a week after. Wasn't really feeling good this morning as well. Not sure why. Maybe changing weather. But it doesn't matter, because it's my first time doing this hike, this track. But it looks like it's not that difficult anyway. It's maybe similar to Rakaia Gorge in terms of difficulty. So it's not that hard. At this stage, nothing to see yet. Still under the tree line. So yeah, not much really to see. Just a lot of woods. This place has a campsite at the start of the trail. Probably gonna camp here one of these days. Seems like a nice spot. No signal. Compared to last time I hiked, it was probably 2 weeks ago. At least this time I can hold the stick, the camera stick, selfie stick, on my right arm. Because when I did Mount Barossa, I was holding the selfie stick, hurts on my right arm. This time it's quite okay. I don't feel it, so I think that's a good sign. Still not a lot to see. pace is so slow. Too tired, I don't know why. That's fine, I guess. Helicopter hill track, 15 minutes, 500 meters to the summit of Helicopter Hill. So almost there. Not too bad. Even on a slower pace. This one's a bit. It's now going to be an incline ascent. Just go up, I guess, straight up. It'll be fun coming down. I'm not using trekking poles today. So I think it's not gonna be that difficult. I'm out of the tree line, or there's still some tree upstairs above ahead, so I don't know. There's no trees here. I've switched to earlier when I was in the first of the beginning of the hike. I was using an anamorphic lens on the front-facing camera. Oh, sorry, the back-facing camera. Now I switched to ND16 filter because you can see from the from behind me it's washed out. Even here it's a bit washed out. Unfortunately, obviously I can't install a filter in the front-facing camera. Almost there. Reached the summit of Helicopter Hill. I guess it makes sense. They call it Helicopter Hill. Maybe they do the helicopter rescue here, I don't know. Yeah, gonna take a break for a while, take some shots, and just enjoy the view, I suppose. And get back before it gets really hot. At this stage it's still cloudy, so it's not too hot. Oh, awesome. Cheers. I'm gonna try this one. I'm gonna shoot using the rear-facing camera with the ND64 filter. This is my first time trying this approach. I guess I don't know if I'm centered. I'm probably centered, and can still see the views. Time to head down, and okay, it took me an hour and 15 minutes to get up here. Let's try and cut that down to 45 minutes. It's not that difficult anyway. Like I said, it's similar to Rakaia Gorge in terms of elevation gain. So it's not that hard. Let's see. Cheers. I'll try to film this all the way down, all the way back to the car park. If I don't like the video, I'll just cut it off. I'll just cut it out. Not add it to the final product. Let's see. Since it's not nice to have a few more energy left. Oops. Ooh, I can stop my momentum there. That's a little bit flapping, so that's fine. No one's chasing me. It's just sometimes I do it that way, coming down. It's easier. It just keeps shaking. It's quite annoying. That is what it is. Switch to anamorphic again. back to the car park. Mistletoe Flats campsite. Yeah, I said earlier there's a campsite here, so I probably have to camp here one of these days. Haven't done it in a while. I'll do it in Christmas, definitely. It's like what I did last year. Christmas I went to, can't remember the place that I went to. It's devoid of phone signal. I was being cautious at that time as well, because that time my eye problem in my left eye started recurring. So this time I should be all right. Yeah, I used to carry with me a bandage contact lens, just in case it gets too painful, or just in case it tears again, basically. Just to, hopefully it doesn't. Hopefully the treatment is working. That was quite annoying when that started happening. It was like happening every month, because it was diagnosed as a viral infection, but it turns out it wasn't a viral infection, but a tear in the cornea. How it happened, I don't know. 5 minutes. 5 minutes to the car park and done. Head back home. It's about actually, I didn't. It's about 10 minutes where I'm staying at, so it's not that far. Yeah, back to the campsite. Cheers. All right, done with the hike. Took me about 2 hours, total 6 kilometers and something. Not that difficult of a hike. Yeah, but it's a good time to do something else, because otherwise I'll just be at home playing video games or watching YouTube or Netflix, really. So it's really good to be back doing this. It's like last year I wasn't really able to do this kind of stuff because of, like I said earlier, the problem with my left eye. Now that it's somewhat resolved, yeah, I'm slowly getting back into it. Not going crazy yet, doing crazy hikes like the tough ones. But like I said, yeah, I'll probably do a toss coin which one I'll do next year on my birthday. Is it going to be Mount Summers or Mount Icon? This is just going to be a day trip anyway, even if I'm on leave on that week anyway, so it's fine. So yeah, I don't know. Let's see how it goes by the time, because there will be no badminton at that time, so my leg should be in a good condition to do tough hikes. And yeah, all right, time to head home. Cheers, bye.